Stuck deciding between Visible and Verizon? Let's break down which phone carrier is the perfect fit for you in just 90 seconds. First up, coverage. Verizon boasts the most extensive 4G LTE network nationwide. Visible piggybacks on Verizon's network, meaning they have similar coverage, but Visible users might experience deprioritization during peak times in congested areas. So, if you need rock-solid coverage everywhere, Verizon has the edge. Next, data speeds. Verizon offers faster average speeds, especially on their premium 5G ultra-wideband network, which is awesome for streaming and gaming. Visible speeds can be a bit more variable, again due to potential deprioritization. Think of it like this: Verizon gets the express lane, Visible shares the regular lanes. Now, let's talk money. Visible shines here with its single, more affordable plan, often with a pricing, including taxes and fees. Verizon's plans are pricier, but offer more options, including family plans and extra perks like streaming subscriptions. Are you budget conscious or willing to pay for premium features? Plan options. Verizon has a buffet of plans, from basic to unlimited, catering to different data needs. Visible keeps it simple with fewer choices, typically focusing on unlimited data. Do you want simple or custom? Customer service is up next. Verizon offers multiple support channels, including phone, in-store, and online. Visible is primarily online-based, relying on chat and social media for support. If you like immediate access to in-person help, Verizon's your winner. If you are comfortable with digital support, Visible works. So, who wins? Visible, great for budget-conscious users who want simple plans and good enough coverage. Verizon, the champion if you prioritize premium speeds, the most extensive coverage, and want more robust customer support. Now you can decide which is best for you.